Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to connect with a website and load the data, load the table on web pages from Power BI. Okay, so let's see. This is my website. I have one of the random website I opened. Okay, as in datatables.net, and there is a one table, and I would like to load this table into my Power BI. Okay, so let's see how we can connect and load the data. Just copy the URL, then go to the Power BI desktop and let's say get data, and in the get data select web. So here you can enter the URL and just say okay. So it will try to pull all the tables from that HTML page. Okay, and here you can see that HTML page, HTML table 1, table 2, these are the tables there. Okay, and what I want is I wanted to see this table. I'm interested in this table: name, position, office, age, start date. Okay, so just look, just to find the table data. Okay, this is not my table, this is also not my table. Okay, then this is also not my table, but okay, so here you can see that the table is whatever you we can, or we have seen the table on web pages. The table is loaded here: name, position, office, age, and start date and salary. Okay, this is my table content, and just fine, I'm interested in this, so I'm just refreshing the preview. Okay, fine, select this table and simply say transform data. Okay, see, when you say transform data, it will open Power Query Editor and load the table. Now just say okay, my headers are sitting in first row, so I would like to promote my headers. So I will go here and simply say use first row as a header. So headers will get updated now. And if I say close and apply, the data will get loaded into model. Okay, so this is the way we can load the data into Power BI from any website table. Okay, I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe WebChamp.